Thank you.
In general.
In general?
What do you want to say? Nothing.
I can't say thank you all the time because it's make me look like a fool.
No, you can.
Now what you doing?
Huh? Mind over matter. Yes. Mind over matter.
Mind over matter. Matter over mind.
Matter over mind. So it's better if I do here. You're even closing your eyes now.
I'm shy.
Don't.
I'm not shy, but I know that there's a camera on me.
Yeah.
It's making me shy.
It's making you shy. Just feel the moment.
Hi. This is not a bonfire. Not a bonfire.
When I just feel the moment. Yeah. But you said when we have 3,000 something BBM.
Yeah, that's what it added up to. It added up to 4,000 and something, not 3,000 and something.
And we used
we used 8,000 and something
today. 8,000 BB notes. Yeah, man.
It doesn't make sense, huh? What if our everyday food was in there?
What?
Like our basic wasn't given in.
But at least we bought.
We didn't buy like enough of what we should have. I will love.
Yeah, it's the first week. It's the second week is starting, so we're still getting along with things. How's it done in the Big Brother house?
Yeah, I love.
We'll have to eat cereal in the morning and then we'll try
cereal again.
No bread in the midday, and then afternoon eat meat or proper spoon food.
You see, I don't have a problem with not eating meat. Y'all niggas that like meat.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas that like meat, you're gonna suffer.
We will suffer a lot. So it's better if
you like meat or you need the meat.
I want the meat. I don't know. I can go without meat, obviously. If at home they cook whatever they cook, yes, I eat. But
what do they cook without meat?
Beans.
By our house, like any Durban, just like people, they cook beans that has to have meat in it, like beans
and bones.
Beans curry, no, not bones. Beans curry and rice, but there's mutton or beef in it.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
There's mutton or beef inside of it. There's mutton or beef inside of it.
For us at home, it's beans, the brown ones.
Sugar beans.
It's the sugar beans, and steamed bread. Or sugar beans and rice.
I like sugar beans and rice.
I like sugar beans and steamed bread.
But like how do they make it? Do they cut the steamed bread and put it on the side of the plate with the beans? Or no, not like, because sometimes you make it's a bunny chow, right? You know it's a bunny chow?
Where you cut the
middle and you put the beans, yeah. Is it like that?
Not.
Then how?
You cut bread.
And you eat it like bread.
Put maybe slices on top of it. Not on top, but you slide them to look nice on the plate. And then you put beans. And then you take. You eat.
That sounds nice. Yeah,
it's nice. It's nice. It's proper.
Can you teach them here
to
make things like that?
I can't.
We're suffering. I'm suffering. I'm suffering.
You're suffering.
I just want to. In my house, I eat rice a lot, like every day. Not every day, but like whenever my mother cooked, it's rice. If it's not rice, maybe it's roti with curry. Oh yeah, pap, and I eat putsu maybe like once every 2 months. I don't see pap in my life. No.
Don't see pap?
No, we don't eat pap at home. We only eat putsu. Yeah.
At home, yeah. Maybe stiff pap. In the stiff pap, there's pap, there's upud.
No, putsu, not pap,
See?
not the pap.
Oh shit! So we passed by